Welcome back, traders. This is Richminded Skills. If you've been following this channel, you know I don't show fake results. I don't show, and I definitely don't sell you dreams. What you're about to see in this video is the continuation of a real trading journey using the Tingatinga New EA on MetaTrader 5. A few days ago, I uploaded a video showing $300 plus in profit from this same account. Some of you watched it, some of you doubted it, some of you asked questions. Today, I'm going to show you what happened next. And if you are someone who's blown accounts before, if you're a beginner who doesn't know where to start, or if you're an experienced trader tired of emotional trading, this video is for you. Stay with me because what you're about to see will change how you think about automated trading, risk management, and building real wealth in Forex. Let's begin. Before I show you today's results, let me remind you where this account started. I uploaded a video a few days ago titled Live Trading with Tingatinga New EA, $300 plus profit results. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is in the description below. Go watch it after this one so you understand the full journey. In that video, I showed you how the account was opened with proper capital, how the Tingatinga New EA was set up with strict risk management, how the robot took multiple buy positions on XAU/USD gold during a controlled pullback, and how patience and discipline led to over $300 in profit in that session alone. But here's what most people didn't understand. That $300 was not the end. It was just the beginning. Many traders would have stopped there. They would have withdrawn the money, closed the account, or changed the strategy. But I didn't. Why? Because real trading is not about one big win. It's about consistent growth over time. I kept the same settings, I kept the same risk management, I kept the same discipline, and I let the system continue working. And that decision is why we're here today. Let me explain something very important to you. Most traders fail because they treat Forex like a lottery ticket. They want one big trade to change their life, quick profits with no drawdown, overnight success with no patience. But that's not how professional trading works. Professional trading is about following a system consistently, protecting capital during pullbacks, letting winning trades run, and managing risk intelligently. And this is exactly what the Tingatinga New EA is designed to do. It doesn't gamble, it doesn't revenge trade, it doesn't panic during drawdowns. It follows the same logic every single time. Trend first, structure second, execution last. And when you combine that systematic approach with proper risk management, magic happens. Not overnight, not in one trade, but gradually, consistently, professionally. And that's exactly what you're about to see. Now let me show you what's on the screen right now. Look at the balance, $363.32 USD. Look at the equity, $4,511.17 USD. Let me repeat that. Equity over $4,500. And look at the floating profit at the bottom of the screen, plus $4,147.85. That's over $4,000 in unrealized profit running right now live in front of your eyes. This is not edited, this is not a demo, this is real trading on a real MT5 account. Now look at the open positions. You can see multiple buy trades on XAU/USD gold, all running in profit. Some of these trades are making hundreds of dollars each, and they're still running because the trend is still intact. This is what smart trading looks like. You don't close a winning trade just because you're scared of losing profit. You let it run until the structure tells you to exit. Now let me show you the margin level. Over 4,393%. That means this account is not over-leveraged. It's not gambling. It's trading with control and discipline. The free margin is over $4,400, which means there's still plenty of room to handle any normal market pullback. This is professional risk management at work. Now let me show you the chart so you understand why these profits are happening. We're on the H1 time frame for XAU USD, gold versus US dollar. Look at the price movement. Price has moved from around 4,600 all the way up to nearly 4,760, and it's still pushing higher. You can see the clear uptrend. The structure is clean, the momentum is strong. This is exactly the kind of market condition where the Tingatinga New EA performs best, trending markets with clear directional momentum. The robot doesn't try to predict reversals. It doesn't fight the market. It simply aligns with the dominant trend and executes with discipline. And look at the moving average indicator below the price. It confirms the trend direction perfectly. The green bar at the top of the chart shows Tingatinga New EA. That's the robot name displayed on the chart, confirming that the EA is running and managing these trades. This is not manual trading. This is not guessing. This is systematic, automated execution based on logic. Now let me speak directly to 3 types of people watching this video. 1. If you're a beginner, you might be thinking, how is this possible? How do I get started? Here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert to use an EA, but you do need to understand risk management, lot sizing, market structure, patience, and discipline. This is why at Richminded Skills, I don't just sell robots. I guide traders through Zoom and AnyDesk. I teach you how to set up the EA correctly, how to choose the right lot sizes, and how to manage your emotions. Now, if you've blown accounts before, I understand your pain. I've seen traders lose everything because of over-leveraging, revenge trading, emotional interference, and no proper system. But here's what I want you to understand. Your past failures were not because Forex is impossible. They were because you didn't have the right system and the right guidance. With the right EA, the right settings, and the right mentorship, you can recover. You can rebuild. You can succeed. Now, if you're an experienced trader tired of emotional trading, you already know the struggle. You know how fear makes you close winning trades too early. You know how greed makes you hold losing trades too long. You know how exhausting it is to stare at charts all day trying to make perfect decisions. This is why automation is the answer, not because it's lazy, but because it removes the emotional chaos and lets logic do the work. The Tingatinga New EA trades the way you wish you could trade manually: calm, patient, disciplined. Now let me share a story with you that perfectly explains what just happened with this account. Imagine there's a farmer who plants seeds in his field. On the first day, he waters the seeds. Nothing happens. On the second day, he waters again. Still nothing visible. On the third day, his neighbor walks by and says, "Why are you wasting your time? Nothing is growing. You should dig up the seeds and try something else." But the farmer doesn't listen. He keeps watering. He keeps being patient. Then, after a week, small green shoots begin to appear. After 2 weeks, the plants are growing strong. After a month, the field is full of healthy crops ready for harvest. The neighbor comes back and says, "Wow, how did this happen so fast?" And the farmer smiles and says, "It didn't happen fast, it happened consistently." This is exactly what you just saw with this trading account. When I showed you the $300 profit video, that was like the small green shoots appearing. Some people watched and thought, "That's nice, but it's not life-changing." But I didn't stop. I didn't change the system. I didn't dig up the seeds. I kept the same EA. I kept the same risk settings. I kept watering the field with discipline and patience. And now, just a few days later, the harvest is here, over $4,000 in profit. This is what happens when you trust the process. This is what happens when you don't let emotions or impatience destroy your system. Most traders are like that neighbor, always looking for quick results, always switching strategies, always digging up seeds before they have a chance to grow. But professional traders, they're like the farmer. They plant, they water, they wait, and they harvest. The question is, which one are you going to be? Let me be very clear about something. Automated trading is not a magic button that prints money. No EA can guarantee profits. No robot can eliminate risk. No system can win 100% of the time. But here's what automation can do. It can remove emotional decision-making. It can execute trades with perfect consistency. It can manage risk according to predefined rules. It can trade 24/7 without fatigue. And when you combine automation with proper capital, smart risk management, trending market conditions, and professional guidance, that's when results like this become possible. This account didn't grow because of luck. It grew because of discipline, patience, and systematic execution. And that's exactly what I teach to every trader I work with. So where do you go from here? If you're serious about changing your trading, if you're tired of blowing accounts, if you want to build real consistent wealth in Forex, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Watch the first video showing how this account started and made $300 plus profit. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Join my Telegram channel for EA updates, free signals, and real-time performance results. The link is in the description. Step 3. Contact me on WhatsApp if you want live guidance via Zoom or AnyDesk. I will personally help you set up the EA, explain the settings, and teach you how to trade responsibly. I don't just sell robots, I build traders. And if you bought a robot somewhere else and you're struggling with it, I also offer paid live training sessions to help you use it correctly. Here's what I want you to do right now. Like this video, it tells YouTube to show this to serious traders. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update. Comment below. Tell me, are you the neighbor who gives up early or the farmer who stays consistent? Share this video, but only with people who are serious about trading, not gamblers. Trading is not about luck. It's not about hype. It's about systems, discipline, and consistency. This is Richminded Skills. Trade smart, stay calm, never give up. I'll see you in the next update.